We know that the study and work are an important part of our lives, but they compared to the health be a little inferior. Having a good health is one of the best investments we can make in ourselves. If we want to study and work better, we should have our own life philosophy. Health is a foundation for life. Don't push yourself so hard. Mix the work with enough rest. Researchers show that exercising your body makes your mind sharper. Your brain gets long-lasting transformation. It's important for long-term memory. People who work out regularly get better brain function, academic performance. Although we're on the days when the task was overwhelming at work, we also properly relax ourselves in spare time to study better. So don't sit all day. Get yourself moving, like running, which gets your heart pumping and gets you sweating. That's called aerobic exercise. It's beneficial to our brain health. It seems that it's a waste of time doing exercise. Instead, this can help us to study and work more efficiently. That's because we can concentrate all our energies on studying and working. Everything that we do needs a good health. It's the most important part of our lives. It's essential to do exercise regularly.